Hello and welcome back to Timbers Flooring, and here we have our short video of our latest project, a school hall floor with a badminton court. So as you can see, the floor was pretty worn. It took quite a bit of sanding to get it all back to freshly sanded look, as you can see there. And then the first coat of primer was put on and left to dry. And then we start putting the badminton court lines in. It took quite a lot of effort, but luckily we had the faint outlines of the original one we could still see. So that did help a lot, but we got there with the masking tape and accurately put it all in. Then we put the white lines in, painted them in with special paint. And here we can see the unravelling of the lines, taking the masking tape back up. Quite a satisfying moment for us, this. And then once all that tape is up, you then put on the second coat of lacquer, and then once that is dry, you light sand the whole floor, and then good hoover up, and then apply the final coat of lacquer over the top, and this is what you're left with. Many thanks for watching, everyone. See you for the next one.